Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Honda Accord sedan, stock reference number 4531. This shape runs from the 9th month 2003 through to the 10th month 2007. There's a K24A 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K24A 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the bonnet, which has a couple of small dents, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, good litter piece to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door piece to have no damage, right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror does have some light scratches on the outside edge of the mirror. Right guard has one small dent, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with tan leather interior. It's got a tan leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.